on, Daddy.
No pressure. Take your time.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It is Sunday, guys, the 29th of September, and we're currently in, God, it's so bright. We're currently in the Royal Melbourne show, and guys, we're just at the car park. Have a look. So guys, the sun is up, but still very, very cold. Guys, can you believe there's so many cars in here, and to park here it costs 25 Australian dollars. So, you know, for 4 cars it's like $100, and there's hundreds of cars in here, guys. Although it's understandable because it only happened once, you know, once a year. So that's why. Guys, gibiyaan naman eh. Tired, guys.
Turo sila.
Dili pud magkuan kung na-race kita mak. Lumba kabayo ba?
Kung gabi ka traffic sa una sa gawas, di ba?
Melbourne ka pud mak. Dili ba?
Log mo siya.
Come with us.
Picture ba ito giga? Hindi man dahil mak. Sulan sana ako ang taga-balingasag. Pahayagan na ito mak. Hayagan na itong ngit-ngit.
So cool here, guys. See? So guys, I don't have my contact lens on today. Giving my eyes some rest. It's Paris. Hi. Hi. See the rides there, guys? I don't know if you can. But we're gonna go there.
Yeah, she was like when I got there.
There. I don't know if it's focusing. So guys, we bought our tickets online, and ticket cost $42 per person, and for children below 5 it is for free. And then for the rides, guys, that doesn't include the ride, so you have to pay for it separately. Hello. Actually, guys, it's my first time here, so it's our first time here. So it'll be interesting.
like, you know, looking at it. I was like, just don't talk because then I just can't embarrass myself to say anything weird and then make it bad impression. But then once I got it was in the same class and I was like, I'm ready to go now. Like, anyone can talk to me. What's up there?
You really have to park here, Glemak.
Kulayo. Kung dito ka nag-park sa
Siguro
kusa.
was
Ikaw, dabot tao. Antay ginhawa.
kaya reklamo mi guys sa $25 si parking.
All new Royal Melbourne Show. Kaya ito bumak. Enggak ah. Kawiri. Yung bay at pakita
Royal Show. Welcome to the Royal Melbourne Show. To save time and enjoy all the Royal Melbourne Show
You already have tickets right to the gate.
Oh. Then scan na daw dito te.
So guys, we bought our tickets online. So we are missing that queue. Have a look at that queue though.
The line guys, taas kaayo.
Nag-expect ko sa one online. Init na kasi guys.
Welcome to the Royal Melbourne Show. As you proceed to the entry, please have your tickets and bags ready for inspection. Thank you for your cooperation. Have an unforgettable day at the Royal Melbourne Show.
So guys, naraman ticket. Everything online.
So iskan na nila. Dali na kayo guys. Nasa lang linya-linya pa.
Sugar in already? Hey, let's go. Would you like the water? Just on down.
Hala, 4.
True lagi. Next pa pa
Sorry. I'm so excited. Oh, wait, but just Yes!
What's that, Bobby?
What's that? Do you want one? Do you want one? Ito siya naman ko. $3.
Yun na, yun na po na iwan pag namin dito.
Well, I don't know much. He didn't say industry. Alright, let's go.
Ay, it's okay, ma'am. Baka sakay mo na Paris ako. Mabu, ma'am. Do you wanna go on the rides? Huh?
Let's go check that out.
Come on, go.
Hey, has anyone ever got the ball? No, fair enough, it works. I like how you all now that as soon as it pops up, like you still can do it anyway.
Yeah, ngayon daddy. Hello, wala may tayo. Cash mo. Asa? I need to find an ATM. I need money.
Where are we?
Let's go. Maybe getting some donuts. Hey baby! Hello! Hello, nasakay ta sa rides ha. Have a look! Show her daddy. Have a look! Wow! Yeah! Here's our donuts, guys. Uy. Ngit eh. Ngit eh. Yeah, we're going to see the animals, guys. First, Paris.
Just had a bit of potatoes.
Is that the one, Daddy? Baby. Come on, Paris. Come, Pat.
Good afternoon and welcome to Farmer Darryl's farmyard. If you're wondering what we're up to here, we've been asked by the Royal Melbourne Show to bring our farmyard from Kyneton, which is on the Calder Highway heading towards Bendigo, about 45 minutes from here, to come and visit you guys at the Royal Melbourne Show. We've brought lots of goats and their babies, we bought some sheep, we bought the pigs, the piglets, we've bought the baby goats and lambs over the back that have bottle feeding. We've got geese, fantail pigeons, my cheeky rainbow lorikeet called Polly.
He doesn't want a pat, Daddy.
The geese
He doesn't want a pat.
that are carrying on in the back. And I'd bring in the cow and we'd milk the cow and shear the sheep and have all the farm animals. And there was a local timeshare resort and they used to come in and thanks very much for your help. They used to learn all about our animals. Anyway, when we'd stay open for the rest of the day, people would come in and they'd say, look, Farmer Darryl, we've got a agricultural show at such and such, and we raised money for our local fire brigade.
Shit without
I wanted to be involved in the fire brigade because in 2015 there was a huge fire that was at Kyneton. It was started by lightning. Anyway, it took 42 fire trucks and 3 water bombers 3 days to put it out. And as I was standing at the farm 5 kilometres away, the embers were coming towards us, and I thought that we were all going to get wiped out. Maybe the sheds were going to get burnt, the hay was going to get burnt, and 100% of the profits goes to our local fire brigade. So you don't necessarily have to be out fighting fires. There's lots of ways that you can help, and it doesn't have to be the fire brigade. There's lots of community events that you can be a part of, and you can help out and do your bit. So I was rapt when they come to the farm. So they come along. We've got a beautiful farm. It's only about 2 minutes out of Kyneton. We sit up on a big hill, and then we overlook into the valley, and that's where all the cows and the alpacas wander. And then from there, we look into the distance and we can see Mount Macedon. It's an absolutely beautiful place. And if you're doing nothing on the 3rd of November, by all means, come along. There was about 1,000 people came last year. We had lots of stalls where the country stalls were selling jams and sauces and chutney, and this year we're having Devonshire teas, and there was lots of crafts. There was lots of hand knitted jumpers. Of course there was some food trucks, and Kyneton is known really...
Honey, it's a goat! What's that? There's a moron, sorry. Is there a goat, honey? Lalo, wee wee. The goat wee wee. Yeah. Oh my god, it's crazy here, guys.
Yeah, nice shot.
Yeah. Paris, you love the duck. I know, you made like that. You bring a shot? What's that? Duck! There's a lot of duck! Guys, Daddy wants to play basketball. Play. Huh?
Hello, do you want to try? Do you want to try?
Wanna play, honey? Yes. Wash your mouth with some
Basketball! Winner! What do you want, my friend?
Come on, Daddy.
No pressure, take your time.
Come on, Daddy. Makumak.
Okay, so kapten na lang, let's go mga guys. So easy away, just one in and you win any prize.
Do you wanna play the duck? Mak, masakit na naman pa. Dominga, you wanna go? Huh? Paris is having her fairy floss. Good job, honey. Sa kabaldi, guys. Yum yum. Asa ba? Yay! Good job. Pula-pula di buang ka. Basa sa Paris na guys. Kaya mo, at tumilad tong rides guys. So, katong rides guys.
Sure, you tapi.
Sure, uy.
Kumadlok.
Mak, maghadlok itong roller coaster. Kana nga, talawa ra. O, paubos naman ako. Guys, we just get a ticket for Dada Paris. Hi, Salani, guys. Honey, you excited? Kulbuan na siya. Paris! Hi!
Baby girl. Paris.
This is so not cool.
Baby girl! Honey! Pagamak! Wala na po yun. Talipong guys. Picturing. How is it, honey? Honey!
That ride makes me sick.
Yeah, you feel dizzy?
Yeah, ready? 1, 2.
Kuya, phone. Yeah, where's your phone niya? Yung picture.
Nagawa na ka?
Nah, don't think so. That one's crazy, guys. See that one in front? What's here? You wanna go in there?
Nah. Well, you can, but I want to go in the...
Well, you go there, bub. Go. You guys, a bunch of food stalls. Support naman. Ano ba kaya ATM na rin?
You may stay next to that.
That's a cow.
That's a restaurant.
Lamak, katumak-amak. Tadi Mimi masih daun-daun.
Which one?
Some people love it. Hindi makita man.
Here, our tester boxes are in the front of us.
What's that?
Try them.
Oh, she's sleepy. Natulam ako sa taas ako. Ready? shorted us to given reserve.
Yeah, your mom will like that one.
Oh yeah, Bohemian. Come on, let's go have a look at the rides there. Come on, Siri. That one? Yeah.
You haven't been?
Sorry, I want that big. You shoot the ball.
Are you ready?
I'll go back.
Oi, just get two in there. Big one.
This time?
Huh?
Alright, Lane.
How much is it for? Yeah. First like that. 3 fish for $10. How does it work?
Paris.
Mama, open ako, Mac. Okay. Okay. Ah. Hello, Mac. Oh, Mac. Oh my God. Oh, look at them. Come this way, Daddy. Of course. Oh, it's starting to rain now. Wala, natulog na.
Come on, come in, set up the rain.
Hi guys, so it is time to go home now guys. We had so much fun. Did you have fun? We went to some few rides, but we didn't have a chance to actually film it guys, because the last one we went in was like the ghost, what was that? Ghost train, whatever it is. Yeah. So it's so dark inside, so you know it's we weren't able to film it, but overall it's such a great experience guys. I think $42 interest for one person is actually worth it. So there's more stuff going on here guys. Circus.
We're here to go roll in the sand. I take that opportunity to reward the behavior, and soon we will have the leg.
you wanna go? Honey? Yeah. Hala, kadaghan mo na kayo mukuyok. Kuya pa na tayo mukuyak. That one is so cool too. They're here. How's your ride, honey? How's your ride? So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching today's video, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.